Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some travel essentials. As someone who likes to travel, I've learned along this journey that there's some things that you absolutely can live without. Not everything is a travel hack, but there are some serious hacks and items that I suggest over my experience as a traveler. Some countries, you cannot flush toilet paper down the drain or down the toilet. Some countries have different plumbing than what you're used to. So, for my recent trip, I have a travel bidet. Got this off of Amazon. I forget how much it was, but it was pretty affordable. You just fill the bottle with water and you know what to do after that. I'm gonna open it and show you what's inside. There's like a drawstring bag to hold it in. I'm gonna put it back in the box though. And here's the actual part itself. It's sealed in plastic, but there's like a little nozzle and this bottle here where the actual water will go in. Next is a outlet converter. Not every country obviously has the same electrical outlets. I got this one at Walmart. I think it was around 40 bucks. This is an Air Canada one. I have not used it yet because I would always borrow my parents, but it's time for me to get my own. So we have a dual wattage converter. Another set of things that I think goes without saying, hand sanitizers. You can never have enough. This one's Bath and Body Works. This one is Touchland, and this one's just a one-step simple bottle. Hand sanitizer is a must. You never know if you're in an environment where you need to eat something and your hands are murky and gross. Keep your hands clean, keep yourself clean and healthy by ensuring that you're going to reduce the amount of germs that you ingest. Hand sanitizers. Hand sanitizers are very important. I don't even leave the house without any. Like traveling locally in where I live, like hand sanitizer is a must locally, so you best believe internationally wherever I travel, it is just as important. Another travel necessity is like a mini first aid kit. This one I got from a City of Windsor RECE professional development. So in here there's some band-aids and there's an antiseptic ointment in here, but I'm gonna go to the dollar store and get some other like small first aid items to put in here because I've put my own things in here and I've filled it up and I clearly need to replenish, such as alcohol wipes, more band-aids. I actually have enough band-aids in that thing right there where my mirror is, but I'm gonna stock this up with like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze, stuff like that you'd see in a standard first aid kit, but I'm making miniatures so they can fit in my purse and that if I put it in my fanny pack, it's sleek, small, and it's accessible, whether it's inside my accommodation or out exploring. Another thing that's just as important, tissues. Tissues. Why many times when I go eat street food, sometimes like napkins are not a thing, or not even just street food. When I go to get food in general, sometimes napkins are just not there, and I like to eat, okay? So I like to make sure I have some sort of napkins. Like I always have these, either one's for napkins to eat with, one is for makeup. Like I don't really like to mix and match, but I do like to make sure that I have them because I think I have dry eyes, and whenever my eyes water, I need to catch it because I don't want to ruin my makeup. So tissues are another important travel essential. Next, hand cream. Your girl washes her hands a lot, and that means your hands get ashy. Don't want to be looking ashy when you want to take aesthetic photos and all you can look at is how malnourished your skin looks. Hand cream. But your standard hand cream goes a long way. This is a recent purchase, but a portable fan. I can't even tell you the amount of times I've been crazy hot that I needed something like this. I think this was around 15 bucks on Amazon. Really affordable. It comes with a little USB-C charger. It doesn't have the wall plug-in part, but if you have any standard Android or Apple device that has like the wall plug, you'll be a-okay. I think this one was USB-C to USB-C, but most phones are with that anyway, so I'm gonna let you listen to the 3 different settings. So that's the first setting. Second setting. Third setting. So 3 different settings, just cool you down, and that's it. This is an important new essential for me. I don't know how I survive going to the Caribbean without a portable fan when I get crazy hot, but it's perfect for the avid makeup wearer that wants to cool themselves down, touch up their makeup, remove the sweat, and cool down. A travel essential that I got for my birthday that I realized was important because I used to put these things in just clear plastic bags. A jewelry case. My friend got me this for my birthday, and I realized that I just be putting jewelry in plastic bags and just having I just be letting them run loose, and I've almost damaged quite a bit of jewelry because I didn't have like a condensed little jewelry case. I recommend it. Obviously, it's not like a must, but I feel like you can get something like this for a reasonable price at Winners, Marshalls, TJ Maxx related stores. And now that I have it, because it always slipped my mind to get one. And then when I saw this as a gift, I was like, oh, this person knows me well, knows me that I like to travel, and clearly knows that I don't have a jewelry holder. So no more plastic bags for my jewelry. We have a jewelry holder. Next, another thing. It's a mix of a friend knowing me and like how I am already here, and then just because I like to travel quite a bit and figure out where I'm going, it's also important for that. Portable charger. I am someone that really likes to travel with their phone on E. Locally, not really abroad, but locally especially. And that started to annoy some of my friends, being like, why am I more stressed for your phone battery percentage than me? That's literally how they would talk. They would say that to me. So to not annoy them anymore, a friend decided to take things into her own hands and purchase me one. And I must say, it is a gift that I very much treasure. This is the charging cord that comes with it, USB-C to USB. And I got like a cheap little cord from the dollar store because I have an old iPhone and I need to upgrade, so I'm not buying any more like expensive charging gear. Before my friend gifted me a portable charger, I used to use my parents'. Next, similar to jewelry, I would pack my toiletries in plastic bags, which again, no shade, but I feel like I'm wasting more bags that way and at least have something more sustainable over time. This is a packing cube for toiletries. So as you can see, you can fit like body care, skin care, maybe some like more dry things up here. And I love that it can hang up if you have like a little closet in your accommodation. I love that it can hang up. There's a lot of space in here, and I like that it's a trifold so that I can fit my products because I have a lot of skincare products. I like to bring my fragrance, and if anything spills, at least it's in a secured spot. Another travel essential is a fanny pack. Now, it doesn't have to be Lululemon. I think there's a brand called Lole that is sold in Costco. I just have a Lululemon one and a tan Lole one. Fanny packs, I feel, are one of the most important things ever, just to make sure that your personal belongings when you're out and about are close to you, minimizing the opportunity for someone to rob you, steal from you, anything like that. So I think that is probably the most important, is getting a fanny pack, because fanny packs from Lululemon are like, what, 30 and up? I think closer to 40, or is it 30? I don't know. But you can find cheaper ones. I think it's like maybe $15 at Costco. I think that's a great price. Another travel essential, packing cubes. This one's a drawstring one. This is like my largest packing cube here. A small little zip up one. And I think this is a medium small one. And this is what they look like. I have one packed that can help me organize and save space in my suitcase. Here is the medium sized one. This is where I put my PJs. So those are all my travel essentials. Whether you need them is up to your personal discretion, but those are my recommendations for a more seamless experience in traveling. None of these things guarantee the absolute smoothest trip, but I must say a fanny pack is my most important one to make sure all of your items that are nearest and dearest to you when you're out and about stay close. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Let me know what your travel hacks or travel necessities that you carry with you. That could be something that I can add to my repertoire, and let me know which ones that you already have from my list of recommendations. I'm looking to learn from you, as I hope you guys have learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.